Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to change phone date in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to change your phone date in your Realme phone. Friends, you can change it, and guys now let's see how to change phone date in our Realme phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys, you are watching my video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. Then first of all open your phone setting to change your phone date. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on system setting. Guys click on system, oh sorry friends, click on guys this date and time, and guys you can see your date setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, you want to change date, guys you can change guys 14 15 16 17 18 19. Guys example will change into guys 20. Guys you want to change guys month list and guys year list. Guys August, September, October, November, December. So example for guys we will change into 20 September, and then you want to change guys year, so you can change from year from here. Then guys come back. So guys phone date will change. Guys you can see 20 September Tuesday. So like that guys you can change your phone date in your Realme phone, and guys you can use your phone date setting in your Realme phone like that. So are your friends who have understood how to change phone date in a Realme phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye friends.